G'day guys, Mr. Oz Adventure here, and I am here at the Gold Coast airport just about to fly out to Vietnam, the start of my Mr. Oz Adventure Vietnam tour. Looks like they're actually going to let me leave the country. That is awesome.
Jika didapati bersalah, Anda akan dikenakan hukuman berat.
Well, after an 8-hour flight, I have landed here in Kuala Lumpur. I am in Malaysia. Pretty weird coming into land. It's a big barren city, beautiful ocean front. The water looked amazing as we were landing, and then we just come in over all these plantations. You can see them over there in the background. There are palm plantations as far as the eye can see coming into land here at Kuala Lumpur Airport, all to make palm oil. Bloody hell, it feels like I've been walking all day and I still haven't reached the proper terminal yet. It's been hallway after hallway for about, feels like a kilometre. It was very cool flying over the outback and seeing some of the outback Australia from the air. That took 4 hours to cover Australia. It was 4 hours by the time we hit the West Australian coastline, and then it was just blue water and puffy white clouds below us for a while, with the odd island here and there until we flew over Indonesia. That was easy to see. After we hit Indonesia there was only a little bit more ocean, and then we hit Malaysia. Flew over Malaysia a little bit and saw some of the countryside. Anyway, I'm off to get something to eat here, and then I'm going to continue on my journey to Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. Good morning, Vietnam! I've been waiting many long years to say that. I am here in Ho Chi Minh City, finally. This is the view from my hotel room this morning. It is crazy out there. This city never sleeps. The noise from the street below was non-stop all night. There you go, there is the street below. It's just madness down there. It's just a crazy street all night. There's just people coming and going, partying, music playing, voices from loudspeakers, bikes, cars honking their horns all night. The atmosphere here is electric. It's just amazing. I'll just bring you back inside because that air out there is stifling hot. Got the aircon happening in here. I'm just about to head out in the street and have a wander around and get some food, get some breakfast. Welcome to my humble abode. This is my room for last night, and tonight I'm going out touring around Ho Chi Minh City today, and then I'm flying up to Hawaii in central Vietnam to go touring. So it's pretty basic, but it is very comfortable. Hello. Get a shower, the toilet, the usual thing. Oi! Yeah, not sure if I want to treat my bottom to that thing. Yeah, I didn't get in here until about 10:30 last night, and then by the time I got to bed and to sleep, it was like 11:30, and then boom, I was awake at 2 AM, which is 5 AM Gold Coast time, the normal time I wake up. So yeah, pretty tired today. I've only had a few hours sleep. I woke up at 2, went back to sleep for a little bit, and then got back up at 4. I've been awake since 4, it's now about 6. So I'm going to head out now and get some breakfast, and then I'm going to come back, get all my gear ready, and then go on a tour to the Cu Chi tunnels, the Vietnam War, the American War tunnels. So that will be a separate video all by itself, so make sure you watch that. So that is the end of this video showing my trip to get here and my arrival in this luxurious city. I will do a separate video on Ho Chi Minh City itself that's coming up, and obviously the bike riding tour as well as the Cu Chi tunnels. Those will be separate videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye.